Are you tired of conflicting wellness advice around metabolism? It's time to cut through the noise. Here at Peptides.today, we're committed to uncovering the true biological mechanisms at play. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area of scientific discovery: the intricate relationship between systemic metabolic regulation, what we call metabolic harmony, and cellular processes observed in endometrial health research. We'll explore how fundamental biochemical balances, far beyond just broad classifications, might influence various cellular states. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about understanding the foundational science shaping future research avenues. Let's explore the data. Metabolic harmony describes a physiological state where cellular glucose, lipid metabolism, and inflammatory signaling are balanced. In research models, this means stable glucose levels, controlled inflammation, and balanced signaling pathways are observed. When cellular systems imbalance in studies, dysregulated signaling and increased inflammation are often detected. Research identifies strong associations between observed metabolic dysfunction and altered endometrial cellular states. Studies show certain metabolic shifts can promote cell proliferation and create environments supporting atypical growth. One significant challenge in this field is disentangling the specific roles of individual signaling molecules within a complex, interconnected biological network. It's like trying to understand how one tiny gear affects an entire factory when everything is constantly in motion. Pinpointing direct causality versus mere correlation in these multi-system interactions requires sophisticated experimental design and careful interpretation of data. This demands rigorous methodology to ensure we're truly understanding the fundamental mechanisms, not just observing broad associations. For more deep dives into these scientific nuances and to stay updated on our latest discoveries, make sure to follow Peptides.today on all platforms and connect with me, Lena Cruz, for clear evidence-based insights. GLP-1 receptor agonists are compounds studied for their influence on glucose regulation and satiety in research models. Intriguingly, GLP-1 receptors are expressed in endometrial tissue, suggesting broader signaling pathway involvement in research. Large cohort studies explore if combining GLP-1 receptor agonists with other compounds alters cellular states. Preclinical data suggests GLP-1 signaling may enhance progesterone receptor expression in lab endometrial cells. Research indicates GLP-1 receptor activation may reduce inflammatory markers and improve mitochondrial function in studies. Exploring metabolic harmony and its potential influence on cellular health, particularly in areas like endometrial research, truly opens new frontiers in scientific understanding. It reinforces that our biological systems are intricately connected, and understanding these connections is paramount for future discoveries. We're still uncovering the full story, but the signals from current research are compelling, inviting deeper exploration into how these fundamental biological balances operate. Keep learning, keep questioning, and let's continue to push the boundaries of scientific knowledge together. Follow me, Lena Cruz, and Peptides.today for the latest evidence-based insights. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.